Cooked rice can be preserved for a longer time in a refrigerator because microbes are destroyed and killed at low temperature. A lemon sinks in normal water but floats in salty water because the density of salt water is more than normal water. Malaria can be detected by testing the blood for the presence of Plasmodium in red blood cells. Shooting star is a meteoroid which catches fire as it enters the Earth's atmosphere. A man with blood group O marries a woman with blood group A. The chance of their first child having blood group O is 50%. The difference between boiling and evaporation is that evaporation can take place at any temperature while boiling cannot. A farmer wanted to separate the grains from the chaff. The can be achieved by the process called threshing. In rural areas, cow dung is used to coat the floor and walls of huts to make them smooth and clean. Vitamins are substances required in small quantities to prevent deficiency disease. Sipco movement was strengthened under the leadership of Sunderlal Bahuguna.